Hi, my name's Joe Dacey. I live in Wallingford, Connecticut. I had surgery through Connecticut Orthopaedic Institute at Midstate and Meriden. I had both my right and left knee done with 8 weeks apart.
My name is Jane Deneen. I live in North Haven, Connecticut. I had my left knee replaced with Connecticut Orthopaedic Institute at St. Vincent's.
There you go, sweetheart. Good seeing you. Let me come back on.
Well, I met Joe in high school over 40 years ago. He posted on Facebook that he was having knee replacement the next day. And when I saw it, I immediately responded, "Oh my God, me too," because I was nervous. I think I might have even texted him or messaged him through Facebook while I was in the hospital.
Just nice to have someone that was going through the same thing and more or less help each other out,
And it was, great to reach out to somebody else who was experiencing the same knee. I was at St. Vincent's, but you went to Midstate. We basically were both saying the same thing. The nurses were terrific. The doctors were terrific. The care from the minute you walked in the door till the minute I left was just fantastic.
First off, you come out of surgery and not expecting what was going to happen. Woke up and everything like that. They're right in there checking stats, this, everything like that. But then got me up immediately. Well, I was shocked. I didn't realize you can get up and walk on a replacement knee within hours. So they had me walk around the hallways in Midstate. The staff there was fantastic.
The therapy room that taught me how to get in and out of the car and how to go up and down stairs and the basic essentials that you're going to need when you get home was just absolutely fantastic. They had me up and down the stairs the following day, and I was back to work in about 9 days.
My doctor was Dr. Christopher Lynch. I came in, he did the x-rays and things like that, and he could see how bad my knees were and how much pain I was in.
So my doctor was Dr. Irving, and I was thinking I was going to have a little surgery, and that was that. Dr. Irving came in and explained to me why it was so important that I made the decision to have a knee replacement. He showed me the structures of the knee and what they were going to be doing, and he showed me what they were going to actually be putting into my leg and how it was going to work. And then after the surgery, the staff was just phenomenal.